Hello children, it's Laura. Today we are going to read a book in English, okay? And this is called The Inside Book by Matthew Griffiths. And it's about all the situation that we are living these days, that we are staying at home. So I found it online and I think you would like it. I hope you enjoy it. And I hope everything is okay with your family. And be safe, okay? Now you won't see me anymore in this bubble, okay? I'm going to start the book. The Inside Book by Matthew Griffiths. I wish we could go outside. We can't go outside. There's an invisible enemy out there, a virus that's making people sick. Sometimes it travels from other people in tiny droplets through the air. That's why some people wear masks. Sometimes it's on the things we touch. That's why we wash our hands often with soap and water. It can even be inside us. That's why we hide our coughs and sneezes, so we don't spread it. Achoo! The virus is too small to see, and people are making each other sick, so we have to keep space between us. Being stuck inside can be lonely, and the virus is scary. We are all in this together, though. It's okay to feel sad sometimes. We should tell the adults how we feel and be kind to each other. We all have to stay inside so more people don't get sick and so those who are sick have time to get better. But it can be so boring. Boring? I don't think so. Yesterday you were a warrior and I was a queen in our fort. We played hide and seek and made some art. We were race car drivers in our boxed cars. We were also chefs. We learned to bake and helped Dad clean the kitchen. Shame the poor adults, they are trying to work from home, typing and having meetings. Now that's really boring. The doctors and nurses are fighting the virus and risking their lives. We should cheer for them. Today, let's be pirates. We can shout, "Arr!" and fight the virus. We'll wash our hands and not touch our face. We'll stay inside, where it's safe. Tomorrow, who knows what we will be? But it'll be fun. Just wait and see. This is the way we wash our hands. We apply soap on wet hands, rub palm to palm, focus on the back of hands, interlace our fingers, clean thumbs, rub nails and fingertips against our palms, rinse hands with water, and dry on clean towel. And we wash our hands for 20 seconds. That's as long as it takes to sing Happy Birthday twice. So every day is your left and right hand's birthday. How we catch a cough or sneeze. The virus can be in the tiny droplets of our coughs and sneezes. We don't want to catch them in our hands or it will get on everything we touch. Hide your coughs in your elbow with a dab or catch them in a tissue and then throw them away. I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye guys, take care.